Chevrolet 2.7L turbo engine, also known as the L3B or TurboMax, was designed to redefine what a four-cylinder truck engine could do. Found in models like the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and Chevrolet Colorado, it delivers strong torque, modern efficiency, and lighter weight compared to traditional V6 and V8 engines. But here's the reality. Chevrolet has quietly acknowledged several potential problem areas, and if you ignore them, you could be facing serious engine damage. Let's break this down clearly, with expert insights and practical advice you can actually use. The 2.7-liter turbo engine. A quick visual overview. This engine is not your typical small displacement setup. It features high-pressure direct injection, a large single turbocharger, active thermal management, advanced engine control systems. On paper, it's impressive. In real-world use, however, these advanced systems introduce new stress points. The confirmed problem areas: 1. Oil consumption. The silent killer. One of the most reported concerns is excessive oil consumption. What's happening? Owners and technicians have reported oil levels dropping faster than expected, no visible leaks, occasional blue smoke, oil burning. Why it matters? Low oil doesn't just affect lubrication, it directly impacts turbocharger lifespan, timing chain durability, internal engine wear. Expert insight. Modern turbo engines run hotter and under higher pressure. According to industry technicians, even slight oil starvation can accelerate wear dramatically, especially in turbo bearings and timing components. If ignored, this can lead to engine knocking, complete engine failure. 2. Timing chain and tensioner wear. Another serious issue involves premature timing chain wear. Warning signs: rattling noise during cold starts, metallic ticking from the engine, rough startup behavior. Root cause. This issue is often linked to low oil levels, oil degradation, high engine stress. Expert insight. Timing chains rely heavily on consistent oil pressure and quality lubrication. When oil levels drop even slightly, the chain tensioner can lose pressure, leading to slack and wear. Left unchecked, this can cause engine timing misalignment, severe internal damage. Through turbo heat management problems, turbocharged engines generate intense heat, and the 2.7-liter is no exception. The issue: heat soak after heavy driving or towing, overworked cooling system, turbo components exposed to extreme temperatures, real-world impact. Excessive heat can lead to turbo degradation, oil breakdown, reduced engine lifespan. Expert insight. In hot climates or under load like towing, thermal stress becomes the engine's biggest enemy. Without proper cooling maintenance, heat buildup can quickly compound other issues. 4. Direct injection carbon buildup. The 2.7-liter uses direct injection only, which brings a known downside. The problem: fuel is injected directly into the cylinder, not over the intake valves, so carbon deposits build up over time. Airflow becomes restricted. Symptoms: reduced performance, rough idle, poor fuel efficiency. Expert insight. This is not unique to Chevrolet. All direct injection engines face this issue. The difference is how well owners manage it. The must-do upgrades, they're not optional. Here's where things get critical. These are not performance upgrades. They are preventative survival strategies. 1. Oil change interval upgrade. Most important fix. What Chevrolet suggests versus reality. The Oil Life Monitor may recommend long intervals, but experts strongly disagree. What you should do: change oil much sooner than recommended. Use high-quality full synthetic oil. Shorten intervals. If you tow, you drive in hot weather, you do stop-and-go driving. Expert insight. Think of oil as the engine's lifeblood. In turbo engines, fresh oil is your #1 defense against failure. 2. Monitor oil levels constantly. This sounds simple, but it's critical. Best practice: check oil every few weeks. Always check before long trips. Never assume it's fine. Why it matters: oil consumption can happen gradually. You won't notice until it's too late. 3. ECM recalibration. Service update N2445631. This is a key fix from General Motors. What it does: corrects fuel delivery issues, improves combustion efficiency, reduces stress on engine components. Who needs it? Primarily 2019 to 2022 models. What to do: contact your dealer, ask if your VIN qualifies. 4. Cooling system maintenance. Key steps: keep radiator clean, check coolant levels regularly, ensure fans and airflow are working properly. Expert insight. Heat management is not optional. A clean cooling system can extend turbo life significantly. 5. Carbon cleaning, preventative maintenance. What to expect? Cost, $175 to $450. Method, walnut blasting or chemical cleaning. When to do it? Every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, approx. Why it matters. Prevents power loss, rough running, long-term engine inefficiency. Real-world failure scenarios. What happens if you ignore this? Let's be blunt. If these issues are ignored, here's what can happen. Oil runs low, turbo fails, timing chain loosens, engine timing slips, heat builds up, internal components degrade, carbon buildup worsens, performance drops. In worst cases, engine replacement is required, and that's not cheap. Is the 2.7-liter turbo a bad engine? No, but it demands more attention than older engines. The truth, this engine is powerful, efficient, technologically advanced, but also less forgiving. More maintenance-sensitive, expert perspective. Think of it like a high-performance engine in a work truck. It delivers great results, but only if you maintain it properly. Who should be concerned? You should pay close attention if you own a 2019-2022 Silverado or Colorado, tow frequently, drive in hot climates, follow long oil change intervals, rarely check oil levels. If that sounds like you, these upgrades are not optional. Final thoughts. What you need to do right now. The Chevrolet 2.7-liter turbo issue isn't about a single catastrophic flaw. It's about a combination of small risks that add up fast. Your action plan: shorten oil change intervals immediately. Use premium synthetic oil only. Check oil levels regularly. Ask your dealer about ECM updates. Maintain your cooling system. Plan for carbon cleaning. Important disclaimer: always check with your local Chevrolet dealer to confirm. Open service campaigns, software updates, recalls related to your specific VIN.